Normans invaded the mountainous area near Caserta in the 11th and 12th centuries. They built a noteworthy cathedral in the area now known as Caserta Vecchia, or Old Caserta. The modern city of Caserta was founded in the 18th century when the Bourbon King Charles III of Naples and Sicily became enamored with the area.
And in fact, Charles knew very well this territory because he was a hunter. And so he came here frequently for his hunting beatings. And this is the reason why he decided to build this new town here into this land. Far away from Naples because he was afraid of the volcano.
Vesuvius.
Yes, the Vesuvius.
I would be too.
Charles decided to make Caserta southern Italy's capital city. So he hired the father of neoclassical architecture, Luigi Vanvitelli, to create a palace that would outshine all others. Vanvitelli dreamed up something even beyond the king's request. Not only a palace, but an entire 300-acre compound, complete with hunting grounds, Italian and English gardens, a waterfall, a vineyard, a silk factory, and a flour mill.
This is considered one of the biggest, maybe the biggest palace in Europe, quite in competition with Versailles in France. The works started about in 1752. There were about 9,000 people that worked for the building of the palace. And they worked here for 93 years to complete everything. It's a really big palace. We have 5 floors of building and 2 underground floors, 1,200 rooms and 1,900 windows.
Mamma mia!
Yeah, because there should be not only the family to live in, there should be also the administration of this government.
And then how many people would work here each day when it was open?
At that time, about 400 people generally worked here.
So the town of Caserta was born with the palace.
Exactly. People from Caserta love so much this place because they feel it as their house.
During World War II, Reggio di Caserta was occupied by the U.S. military. And rumor has it, a few GIs even drove their jeeps up and down the palace's famous grand staircase.
So they used to have bath into the, into the pools. They used to dream and to sleep and then dream into the beds of the kings and the queens.
In recent years, Hollywood has also embraced the splendor of the palace, with scenes for Star Wars Episode I, The Phantom Menace, filmed on this captivating staircase.
The staircase of honor, that was the main entrance to the apartment, is very special because from that point, the army of Star Wars used to walk, and here they used to have some fightings during the movie.
I think this is one of the most beautiful staircases in the world.
Yes, yes. If you look over there, that space was used by the musicians.
And you can't see them up there.
No, because it's too far and we are too low to see the musicians. So it was a kind of ancient stereophonical music.
They were very inventive.
Yeah.